Alright, y'all, I'm back with another video, bro. We got the 2024 Corolla out there today, you know what I'm saying? We did my car, but we're doing the stars, bro. And I'm gonna have a short intro, but you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna get the gameplay up there. But look, as you can see, I already got stars in my car in my truck. Did like what? Last year, but I forgot to record all of the process, so I thought it was scratch. Let me show you real quick. See, this is what it look like. Oh well, you know what I'm saying? We're about to do it to the other car, so I done put subs in here too, you know what I'm saying? So y'all boys missed out on some things, but you know what I'm saying? I got more content coming soon. I'm gonna just pop out a little for real. I ain't gonna lie. Huh? Well, I don't get the $2. For what? Anyways, I'm gonna get y'all a POV of us doing it, but you know what I'm saying? I can't really hold the camera because I'm on a time crunch. Okay, well, I'm gonna just start by taking this out for real. So you're gonna have to pull this out like that, ha ha, you know what I'm saying? Put that there, get this, get a screwdriver and unscrew these. I should have put out the power drills today, but oh well. You know what I'm saying? But you take these out and then I'm gonna show you when I get them out. And when you take it down, be careful because there's little connectors in there if you got an SC or something like that. But I think all of them should have it. I think it's like a little electrical joint up in there. So don't go and pulling this thing down and stuff like that because it got electric stuff in it. So be careful.
I feel like that's just a whole clip.
Go ahead and get it, my boy. Well, you got these jumps out. There was a pain that we couldn't even record them. So
You watched the video?
what video?
The video you watched.
Oh yeah, we ain't trying to break this.
You just need that tool, yo.
It might be in the car right there.
It might be.
Yeah, we got this out. So all you got to do is just pull down with Hold on, where'd the clip go?
What?
We're missing a clip.
No, we're not. No, we're not.
Huh?
No, we're not. That's it.
What the fuck?
Whole time, I got scammed. I got scammed, yo.
Where'd the clip go?
There's no clip up there. Ain't no way.
Well, anyways, it's gonna be a clip right here. And you just squeeze these two together and pull it out, and that's all about it. It's gonna hold the headliner in up top, so don't be. Oh, we gotta take the A-pillows off. Yeah. All right, so we done did that. So all you gotta do is pull this out. It's gonna be two clips behind it, and just pull it straight back. Damn. Gotta get behind it real quick. It's gonna be two of these joints too. Whoa. Why that don't look like that? Oh, it's still in the clip. Okay. There we go. And then you're gonna take something. You can reach. It's like two clips up in here. You push it up and down. It comes out. One. Flip this over. I know y'all probably can't see it, but I'm just trying to get this joint done. I'm gonna show y'all an example when I'm done with this. That one. Ooh. Then you just pull it straight on back. There you go, out. Shit. Bro, turn that motherfucking camera off, nigga. Then when you get the clips out, you just push these back into the place right there. And these are the little two tabs I was talking about. You gotta push them up and down. And then to take this off, it's gonna be like a big clip up here. And then it's these two down the bottom. But I'm trying to tell you. Oh, it's the seat probably. You take these clips out, it'll look like that, so. We struggling for space. This is a Corolla. We got both of these on there. God damn. God damn. Did I rank it? You gotta take this out. I don't think you have to, but at least unclip it so you can get the hairliner free. And for this little tabs right here, just push your power tool in there and just clip it out. Then I think you can just go ahead like this and detach it. And you're on your way to take your headliner out, you know what I'm saying? There you go. Okay, and then it's like a little clip back here you're gonna want to take out.
Yeah, Nicky, you got that.
And then what you want to do is just 3 clips back here you're going to take out with your clip removal tool, or however you want to call it. I barely know how to use it, but these clips right here come out. Chicken, nigga. Huh? Take them seats out real quick. Yes, sir. Take them seats out. Get that joint ready. We're going to pull that motherfucker out, boy. Ain't it good? Give me a co-star while this dude. Hold on, what the hell? I put it on the ground. I'm tripping. Give me a co-star while this dude taking the seats out. Golly. What's that, like a T50? T50. Damn, I got these work nigga hands. God damn. T50 boats, get them out of here. Unplug the seat. Get that joint up out of here. Look at this nigga standing in this bitch. Like, we need to get some power tools, like, you know what I'm saying? We only install shit like every 6 months, so I can't justify buying that money, you know what I'm saying? $200-300 for some power tools when we got ratchets. I'm running away. That shit look tough. Get in my car. Y'all see my car? My car look good. Y'all see my junk? My junk look good. Yes, sir. I'm saying y'all shit look good, boy. You know what I'm saying? Get the mud on that bitch. You know what I'm saying? My shit look good, don't it? My shit look good, don't it? Let me stop. I need to wash. I should be washing it right now while we installing them stops for real. No, it's gonna rain tomorrow. I need some tires on this side. Tripping. Let me turn this truck off or blow up. Damn, my wheels look flat. Oh. Paint this on black. How y'all think if I paint this on black, y'all? Don't look tough. I don't never use it though, but see? Look at my whole interior. My joint broke, bro. Alright, so to remove this seat, it's gonna be two torque ports up here and 2 in the back. You're gonna disconnect these wires from the seat right here to go up here with the airbags and sensors. This one got a little clip. You just can it focus? This one has a clip right here. You push down. This one has a clip. You push down as well. And this one you have to stick a flathead down underneath this and pull it. Then you just take your seat out like nothing happened. We got the whole interior stripped now. We just gonna have to pull this down and get this tape off the top. All right, so what we're gonna do is we just taking the tape off and let the wire stay in the car and just take the bare headliner with it. We're gonna leave the lights and mic in it, but that's about it. Cold start. Late as fuck. Can't even see up in that bitch. Huh? Can't even see in that boy. Oh, what you doing, bro? What you doing, bro? Hey, that took off.
We've got A, and then we've got these damn cams. Sorry, good cable management.
What's up, tube? Subscribe to my channel. Type shit. Alright, so now all you gotta do is cut it. Trim.
Hold on.
Trim.
Bruh.
And then you put the seats in, type shit.
My boy, we gotta do more than that.
Shit, what you gotta do now?
Gotta pull the panels back, then cut. Put seats in, we done. I'm sweating like a motherfucker. The boys on YouTube gonna be mad as hell.
What they gonna be mad?
Cause they ain't got half of this shit on there.
You supposed to do the tutorial type shit.
But oh well. Yeah,
You see how niggas do, y'all? Shit crazy.
Bro, go ahead with that shit. You part of the niggas too?
Shit.
Your ass picked up the camera, you part of this shit now.
Yeah. Trim, yeah. The biggest right there. Look. What you talking about? Yeah.
Hold on. Did you put one in?
And we got
Burn it up.
top screen that shit in now.
Damn, what the fuck?
Type shit.
Type shit? No way you recording like that.
You said put it sideways, nigga.
You were recording a 50 cam.
Hello.
Hey, yeah, we getting that shit done. We got our slave in the back doing the, you know what I'm saying, the cutting and shit. You know what I'm saying? We getting that shit.
Slave niggas.
Oh, damn, my bad. We getting this shit done, though. You know what I'm saying? We just got to put a couple more clips and shit back, but, you know what I'm saying? I'm going to show y'all the finished product when that bit done. You know what I'm saying? Hey, we finished the project, y'all boys. See? But, oh, this is my car. I'm tripping. Finished the project, though, my boy. Unfortunately, we didn't get a whole bunch of clips because we was locked in, but this only took a day. You know what I'm saying? Some light. See that shit, boy? And that Yoda though. 2025 Yoda though. Yes, sir. Know what I'm saying? We done. We done it up today. Know what I'm saying? Get the DRLs going. Had a little photo shoot real quick, but that's about it. I'm gonna end the video right here. You got anything to say?
Hell nah, we got this shit done.
Alright, that's a lot.